what's up guys? I'm Chaz, and here I am again. I'm back with another video vlog, and this is going to be my last video vlog for the Ohio Yo-yoers channel.
I don't even know what to say, to be honest.
I just got done shooting my brand new yo-yo video. It's gonna be a goofy, girly shorts comeback video.
And yeah, I just want to say thank you guys again for all the love and support this year. It's been quite the experience for me, and I'm just humbled to the fact that you guys have tuned into this channel throughout this entire year. And it wouldn't have been possible if it wasn't for all the Ohio yo-yo guys out there. I want to give a shout out.
Dave Duffner, the yo-yo legend. There's Philip Nolan. What's up, man? Heath Kish, Chandler Steele, the Man of Steel. Who else? Nathan Martsoff. Let's see. I know there's some other guys. Rafael De Leon. He's the Ohio Yo-Yo King. Check him out. Then there's Adam Kreiser. Kreiser the Surpriser. What's up, dude?
By the way, his mom's like the coolest yo-yo mom ever. What's up, Tanya? And yeah, all the guys that were in the 2016 Ohio State Yo-Yo Contest video. Shout out to all those guys that were featured in that video. Yeah. That pretty much covers it. I mean,
all the Columbus Yo-Yo Club guys, Theodore, Vincent. It's just, I'm honored, to have done this. I didn't think this channel would have taken off like it has.
It's an overwhelming feeling, and it's given me hope. It's given me something to live for. You guys have been amazing. Thanks to all my Ohio Yo-Yo guys that have been featured on the channel this year, and I'm just... It's been quite the experience, like I said, and it's awesome, It's just incredible to me. I'm officially going to sign off with this video, and yeah.
That's it. Just keep a lookout, okay? I don't know what's going to happen next year. I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure exactly what the movement's going to become after this. I wanted to get something established, set in stone. It's always been about magic. The magic of making history.
Creating these yo-yo videos, editing these yo-yo videos, just getting these out there so that other Ohio yo-yo kids will find this channel and, they'll become the next epic Ohio yo-yoers. Being able to connect, interact, and just experience this yo-yo love we have together is just amazing. It's one of the best feelings in the world, my yo-yoing has given me so much to live for, and I couldn't be more happier where I am right now. And yeah, just keep a lookout for Adam Kreiser. This kid is amazing. he's like the next big thing, and I'm just super excited to see where he goes from here, because it's amazing. Check him out. And yeah, I'm officially signing off, guys. It's been fun, and that's what it's always been about for me, is having fun.
That's why yo-yo. It's fun. And yeah, I'm Chaz. Keep on yo-yoing. And yeah, check out my main YouTube channel for all my yo-yo videos. And my brand new girly shorts comeback video, which is going to be on my main YouTube channel. Check that out.
Yeah, keep on yo-yoing, guys. Love to all the Ohio yo-yo guys out there, and thank you guys again. Take care, guys. I'm Chaz.
Here they come, y'all. Here they come. Here they come, y'all. Here they come. Here they come, y'all. Here they come. My crew, my crew, my crew, my crew, my crew, my crew, my crew is incredible. My crew, my crew, my crew, my crew, my crew, my crew, my crew is incredible.
Hey, what's up, guys? It's Chaz. If you're still watching this video, then this is the official teaser for my brand new girly shorts comeback yo-yo video. And let me uncover this for you. Here's the teaser. Check out the full-length video. It's going to be on my main YouTube channel. It's going to be
girly shorts yo-yo video featuring me, of course. And yeah, so here's the official teaser for you. Let me click play.
Check it out. Ohio Yo-yoers, winner throwing girly shorts.
Let's get it.
Like a boss.